We are going to tell you the top 5 pieces of gear that you have to bring with you in order to have a successful creek rock hunting experience.
We also have a bonus, a wild card you might say, that we made ourselves, and we want to show you how it works when we're out looking for artifacts. When looking for artifacts, you want to stay hydrated so you don't get dehydrated. So make sure you have a solid water bottle that's filled to the brim so you can spend all day out in the creek.
The other thing that you're going to need is some bug spray to make sure you keep all the critters off of you. The 2 that get me the most are ticks and mosquitoes. The other thing you're going to need is some sunblock, especially if you're going to be standing out in direct sunlight.
The next thing you need to make sure you have, not only for cool points, but also to help you find artifacts, are polarized sunglasses, as they will help cut the glare in the water and help you find those wonderful little treasures we're looking for.
Next thing that you're going to want to have and be mindful about is what you're wearing on your feet. I personally like to wear some old sneakers on my feet. Gabe likes to have some Crocs on his feet, but something that is closed-toed so that you can move around without risk of injury underwater.
One advantage to having Crocs is you can drive it in either 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive in order to meet the adventure needs of your excursion.
It sounded pro level.
Thank you. You got assaulted by a butterfly.
I love it.
And now it's time for our wild card, and that is
A bucket viewer.
right you are, Joe.
A bucket viewer is going to allow you to see down into that water. Even if it's moving, it'll break some of those reflections from bright sunlight. It'll allow you to see those treasures on the creek bottom, and you can actually get through some of that turbidity if you're in a dirty creek, so you can see a little closer.
Now, you can buy these professionally, like Joe did, or like what we did in another video. We built one of these from scratch for free, and you can do the same if you check that one out at the end of this one.
Yeah, we'll probably put it right up there.